Hey you guys, Tamika with NuNu Baking Essentials. I'm back with Tae with Cakd By Tae. I am so excited about Tae being here with me. This is like my little brother. I've adopted him. So he is taking the baking industry on by storm. So I am so excited that he has taken the time, and thank you so much, Tae, for coming to hang out with me today.
Absolutely.
What are we going to be making today with your NuNu Baking Essentials mixer?
Miss Tamika, I actually completely forgot my mixer. I'm so sorry about that. It just dawned on me that I actually forgot it. I actually use my mixer. That's the only reason why. It's on my counter because I'll be really using it. Please tell me you have an extra.
I do have an extra.
Thank you.
I have NuNu Baking Essentials mixer. Give me 1 second. We're going to go grab one for you to use today.
Thank you so much.
And I'm so glad you're using your mixer.
Oh yeah, I've been putting it to work.
Okay, I got you.
Thank you so much. Oh yeah, this is the one we need right here.
Right here.
Yeah, so I'm so glad that you came up with this mixer for us because it just solves so many problems that I have. Like the fact that it even comes with the splash guard is absolutely amazing because a lot of these mixers don't come with one. And then when I'm doing my cookie dough, I love being able to weigh my ingredients inside of the bowl. So the scale on this thing is perfect.
Okay.
You really thought about everything when you thought of this mixer. I'm so excited about that.
Okay, so a lot of people don't even realize the scale is attached to it. And I love that it's on there because me personally, I used to always have a whole separate scale. Then I would have to weigh my cookies. And now you don't have to do that. You can do it all in the bowl.
Yes, and not only that, it has a light on it too. So when I was messing around with it and I seen it light up, I was like, this is a lifesaver because I start in the wee hours of the morning and I try not to wake anybody up. So the fact that it has a light so I can actually see inside the bowl, I don't have to have the whole house lit at 5 o'clock in the morning when I start my baking. So I really
and would you
love that.
say, I think it's a really bright light. Because I do the same thing. I be like down in here and then hit that light and we good to go.
Oh yeah, it's very bright. That's what I love about it. Check it out right there. I know it's your mixer, but I'm just saying, I absolutely love this. So yeah, I'm highly impressed with everything that you thought of with this.
Okay, awesome. So which attachment are you gonna use? Are you gonna use?
We're actually gonna use the paddle attachment today for the cookies because we don't want to put too much air into the dough.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, now that we've gotten all that situated, I'm ready to get into this recipe. Today, I'm gonna be making my vanilla bean chocolate chip cookies with you.
Okay, and then all this looks familiar to me. I see a little bit different. I see that you mix your different things. I do all mine separate. How does that work for you when you're mixing like your brown sugar with your white cane sugar? Because I just do a million bowls, but I'm getting ready to change this up a little bit.
It just cuts the time in half when I'm baking. So really, when you prep everything in this way, it really cuts the bake time down a little bit and it helps you make it a lot faster. On top of having this big bowl so that I can mix all of my things in and do multiple batches at once, putting it all together just makes it even more faster than that.
Okay, perfect. So let's get started.
Let's go. We're gonna take a pound of butter here. And you can either do 1 pound blocks or you can just open up each stick. But we're gonna drop our pound of butter in there.
And see, me, when I do chocolate chip cookies, I do melted butter. I have done, just the softened butter, but I do melted butter too.
Oh, that's interesting. So how does it turn out? What consistency do you get when you melt it?
To me, I feel like you get about the same consistency. To me, it just seems like it tastes a little bit more chewier with the melted butter.
I'm gonna have to check that out. I'm gonna have to try it with the melted butter. I've never even tried it that way, so I'm gonna definitely do that. Now I've done the brown butter, but I've never done the just like fully melted. I'll brown it and then let it get back to room temp.
Okay.
All right, so first, now that we got our butter in there, we're gonna take our brown sugar and our granulated sugar and we're gonna drop that right into the mixer.
Okay.
You know with brown sugar, sometimes you gotta just let that go in there. It's a little dense.
Okay.
All right, so now we're gonna get started. And I don't really need a guide because I use this thing all the time, so I already know how to operate it. So you're gonna hit your manual entry button, then you're gonna just choose your setting here.
Okay.
It goes all the way up to 12. I like to start my cookies on around 4 or 5, so it's not too much until we get this incorporated. So you're gonna hit that, then you just press start, just like that.
And see, 4 is my magic number too. I always start at 4 or 5.
And one thing I love is that it actually doesn't just start right at that speed. It gradually increases, so you don't gotta worry about things splashing all over the bowl.
Right. And then the bowl is so deep, and that kind of helps the splash as well.
Absolutely.
Because I hardly ever use my splash bar unless I'm making a big thing of icing.
Yeah, I will use it for that. And if I'm like, I got powdered sugar going all over the place,
Right.
I will use it. But it's great that it comes with it because every once in a while you do need it and you just never know. So I'm glad that it comes with it. everything you can imagine.
Yeah. Because some brands, they have, well, you have to buy the attachment separately. All attachments.
Yes, this comes with every
giving you that.
attachment.
Yes.
I love that. You
Yes.
thought about everything for sure. So this is starting to cream really well. So we're gonna stop this.
Okay.
You're gonna just press that, get your lever here. Then we're gonna take our NuNu's Baking Essentials spatula, which I love because it really gets those edges. And we just gonna scrape them down, just like that. And one thing about your paddle attachment that I really enjoy is that you don't have, it really gets to the edges. So you don't have to do scraping. After you scrape the edges down one time, you don't really have to do it anymore. You just let the paddle do all the work.
Okay. Look at you. You just doing that next time. I'm excited. I
All
love
right,
it, love
so
it,
we're
love
just
it.
letting that cream, and while that's working, we're gonna grab our eggs over here.
Okay.
And I'm gonna just set those right over here.
Okay. I ain't gonna lie, I am so excited that you use this mixer. It just touches my heart. Like, this is what I wanted. This is truly what I wanted to see in other people's kitchens and other bakers. Because you bake more than me now, because I would be trying not to bake so much. I'm trying for everybody to get the mixer.
I just appreciate you even creating the mixer for us. As soon as I seen that 10.5 quart bowl, I immediately had to have it because I do so much bulk baking.
Right.
This has cut my time in half ever since I've had it. So
Awesome.
it's been a lifesaver and a game changer.
Yeah. Instead of using 2 or 3 mixers, you just have to use the one.
Any other mixer that I had doesn't.
Awesome!
Yes.
You're gonna make me cry, Tay. I'm trying not to cry.
No, you know I'm for real. I really use this thing for real. You can tell, I really do. I be at the
Yeah,
crib
you
like,
ain't asked me one question. You got it. You got it.
Now I'm gonna drop our eggs in one at a time, probably similar to your chocolate chip recipe. So, one at a time, I just drop the eggs in and let them semi-incorporate.
Okay.
As they're incorporating, like I said, we're gonna add these and just let them mix really good. Then we're gonna do one more bowl scrape after we add our eggs. Let that mix for a second, then we're gonna scrape those edges one more time.
Okay, got it.
Oh yeah. This is absolutely perfect. So once we get to here, you're gonna fold all of that right into your egg mixture. See how I folded that in there? I'm telling you, you don't have chocolate chip.
And it smells good already. Look.
All right. All right, now we're just gonna let this, I'm gonna turn it up just a pinch, and we're gonna let this mix until everything gets fully incorporated.
Okay.
Beautiful. And you see everything just coming together.
Yeah.
Perfect. And now we're gonna let this all mix until it gets light and fluffy. Yep.
Okay. Okay.
While that's over here mixing, I'm gonna take our flour mixture.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna, this is a little bit of baking soda and it's also salt. So I'm gonna just drop this into our flour mixture right on top. So once we fold that in, it's all fully incorporated.
It's all gonna be together. Okay.
Absolutely.
You said you like the scale. I know you mentioned that to me before today. So
Absolutely.
What do you like about the scale?
What I like is, so all of these ingredients that you've seen me use, I pre-measured on the scale. So you can drop them right into this bowl, measure everything, and then just put it into your ingredient bowl separately. So I absolutely love that. It helps with so much time. You don't have to keep washing and doing all this because you can use your bowl to weigh everything.
Awesome.
All right, so the next thing we are gonna do, now we're gonna drop our flour mixture right into our wet mixture as well. So
you're gonna dump it all at one time or little by little?
So I do dump it all at one time. So disclaimer, you ain't supposed to. It's supposed to be little by little, but I do dump it all at one time.
Well, that's why I asked, because all bakers do stuff a little different.
For me, it doesn't really make a huge difference. I get it though, you should do a little bit at a time, but I just take it like this, and I just dump all my entire flour mixture right into there, just like this.
Okay.
All right, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna turn the mixer down a little bit now that we've added that flour mixture in there, just so that we don't get any kickback from it. And we're just gonna let that mix until it's just incorporated.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Look at that bowl, but you seen that. Right. You see how it did? If I would have had any other mixer bowl, it would have been flour everywhere.
Yeah. We would have had a whole flour bath.
Listen. All right, so till about right here, you're gonna stop it, right?
Yeah.
Till it's just incorporated, still looks a little floury. Now we add the vanilla. A lot of recipes, they add their vanilla before all of this. We add it right in this step so that you get that strong vanilla bean taste.
Okay. But see, I add mine before, so that's good to know.
And you see how that dough's already coming together?
Yeah.
Beautiful. You wanted that light brown color. And you know how we do. I don't measure this. I just kind of, I trust my judgment. Yeah.
What I say.
So you're gonna go in there with your vanilla. I would say it's probably about 2 tablespoons. You want a nice vanilla taste in this cookie dough. That's the whole point. It's a vanilla bean base.
Okay.
So you're gonna add your vanilla in there, and now we're gonna dump the chocolate chips in.
Okay.
And I say just a little bit to kind of put on the top at the end.
Top.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
All right, so now that I've added the chocolate chips, we're gonna just let this mix until everything comes together, but you wanna be careful not to over mix your dough.
Right.
So you just wanna just incorporate it.
Okay. And I love the fact that I'm just here able to learn because you already know the mixer.
Yes.
You have really learned this mixer. And
Yes,
you
I
haven't had
have.
it long.
I've only had it for a short period of time, but when I tell you it's become a part of my daily life, anything I bake, this is what I use now.
Awesome.
So I appreciate you creating this for us so much.
Okay.
All right, let's open it up and see what we got here. All right, so let's get this attachment taken off, just like that.
Okay.
All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so next thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna put some gloves on, and then we're gonna just start rolling up some of this cookie dough.
Okay. Because it's so sticky when you're rolling up the dough.
There you go. All right. All right, and then I'm just gonna grab a cookie tray really quick.
Okay.
As well. All right. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna take some of this cookie dough and we're gonna just grab a handful and you're gonna just roll it into balls. We could probably fit about 6 on this tray.
Okay.
So grab you a little handful just like that. And you're just gonna give it a nice, easy roll, just like that. Perfect, that looks great. And it's all about what size cookie you want.
Right. And it's so funny because when I do cookies, I do dump. I like to just dump the cookies. I don't roll.
Oh yeah. Do you use a scoop or do you just put them right on in the pan?
I just dump them with my hands. I just dump.
Yep, it's like, it doesn't have to be a perfect size.
Because I don't
or
want it to
serve
be just a
anything.
perfect, right.
Exactly. Like, I want you to know that I made these.
Right.
All right, that is beautiful. So now that we've got all of these on the tray, once you finish rolling that one up, I think we're ready to pop these things in the oven.
Okay, let's do it.
Awesome. So now that we've gotten these rolled up, we're gonna preset our oven to 350 and we'll get these things baked.
Okay, let's do it.
Awesome. All right. Do you like to do a chewier texture or do you like that crispier edge on your cookies where you gotta put dab a little milk in there?
I like a chewy cookie.
Okay, so I do as well. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind a little crispy edge, but it has to be chewy in the center. It has to be, or I can't even mess with it.
Exactly. Same here, same here.
All right, let's see.
Okay.
Oh yeah, these things look amazing.
They look delicious. I can't wait.
Look at that. Told you.
Looks amazing.
Listen.
And they smell so good.
And they taste even better.
Let me get us one of these little plates.
Oh yeah, I am so excited. I'm glad we got to do a recipe together and you can try these cookies.
Yes, and we actually got to do more too. But
yes,
you know this mixer backwards and forwards.
I'm telling you, when I say that this is a part of my day-to-day life now, it don't even leave off of my counter.
Awesome.
I used to have to like tuck it away. I'm like, I use it so much, let me just keep this on the counter so I don't gotta do extra work.
That is great, okay?
All right. Go ahead and get you one. Let's put these on the plate.
Okay.
Let me know what you think. I want you to try it first. Is it like
chewy.
that? Is that chewiness you like? Yeah. And the chocolate chips still melted. It's warm.
Oh yeah, it's really, really good. I like that.
Thank you. Thank you
I
so
get y'all
much.
some of these. Yeah, that is good. I'm gonna go eat the rest of these in private. I want to thank you, Tae, for coming.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
And y'all stay tuned to see who we have next.
Please do. I'm gonna take one too.
Okay.